Hello Prime Coders, welcome back to Prime Coding channel. I am Aditya Mishra. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Cognizant 2026 on-campus hiring. Yes, students are started getting on-campus notification about the Cognizant hiring, that Cognizant has started hiring for freshers through on-campus opportunity. So yes, in this video, I will be talking about the updated pattern which has been updated and aptitude and technical round pattern changed. So yes, please go through these videos. This will definitely help you out to crack your upcoming opportunities. Although Prime Coding is creating histories of helping students and getting placed into these types of company are preparing for. Okay, if you are from 2025 batch, this video is important because in the Cognizant off-campus opportunity, the pattern would be used. And if you know someone from 2026, do recommend our channel to them. Okay, so on-campus 2026 started. You can see the notification right here, which is 2026 Cognizant on-campus hiring from August-September position, and it is starting from 17th of August till 12 p.m. you can register here. Okay, so students are getting the link of the message from college for registration. So I will recommend all of the students to join my Telegram group. Why? Because we have more than 31k candidates in our Telegram group. You can easily find it on the Google. Just write Prime Coding Community Telegram group. You will get it. Because your seniors are here and it is a world, I can say India-wide group where many students from multiple states are here. So you will be knowing that which company, how to crack and any learnings that you can have from them, as well as the upcoming opportunities that you can get it, the shortcuts to study and many more things. So don't forget to join this group. Okay. Now, eligibility criteria, you can see 2026 grad B, BTech, MTech streams such as leather technologies, food technologies, fashion technologies are excluded. Applicants applying for GenC Pro roles should have consistent academic record with 60% of class 10th and 12th, and UG PG 59% is not at all allowed. So if it is more than 60%, then only you are allowed. 59.9% is not allowed. To be eligible for GenC Next role, applicant should have minimum 70% in class 10th and 12th. So this is the new criteria which they pushed to the candidates. Yes, 70% is required in your 10th and 12th diploma, UG, PG. 69.9 is not allowed. Previously, they were not looking more than 60% in any of the roles, but now you should have 70% marks in your 10th and 12th. Okay, applicants with standing arrears are not eligible. Flexibility to work from Cognizant office location is given. Timing and technologies is mandatory. The opportunity is to open for Indian nationals, OSIs who are currently residing in India can apply on this particular opportunity. You can see the mandatory documents for interview, which is all academic documentations, or I can say documents, including college ID card, class 10, 12 or diploma, UG mark sheets. Mandatory documents for onboarding, we'll talk it afterwards when they will start onboarding candidates. Okay, hiring process and tentative timelines, which is registration, screening and communication and aptitude assessment, technical assessment, technical interview, GenC Pro or GenC Next, and letter of intent would be your last stage. If you're still here, your job is secured. Okay, please note, only one attempt will be given for all assessments. It is mandatory to candidate to appear for communication, aptitude and technical assessments. Now, it is mandatory that then definitely do appear for this role or round. The communication assessment will be conducted online, while the platform-based technical assessment will taken place in person. Cool. The technical interview will be done in person, bot based or subject matter expert based. Okay. Skill cluster 1, default cluster for technical assessment, and candidate will be evaluated on Java and SQL, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And make my words or mark my words that Java questions would be easy or easy medium type if you are new to programming. You need to write the JavaScript code as well in your compiler. Okay, so be prepared with the JavaScript concepts too. So can choose skill cluster 2 or cluster 3 is not applicable as the additional skill cluster. Based on the preference of additional skill cluster, few candidates will consider for cluster 2 or cluster 3. So you understand these things, which is a bit of complex, but you fill any of the cluster. There are very rare chance that you will get those clusters, but most of the people do get Java clusters. So stay prepared with their clusters, or maybe you will get your favorite one. Okay, so now this decision of mapping GenC Next Pro GenC will be sole discretion of Cognizant. As I told, this is nothing that you will be getting this cluster, you will be getting this role. It's upon them which role that they hire you, or which role they came in your college. These things are only to show, but what they think, they will be doing that. If they want to hire only one candidate in GenC Next, they will be hiring only one candidate in GenC Next. So you don't need to think, okay, most of the candidates got GenC Next, so I will be go down shortlisted for sure. No, that's not the case. Round 1, communication assessment. You can see communication assessment, 3 sections, duration 58 minutes. Reading, grammar, comprehensive and listening, speaking skills would be tested in this particular opportunity. Make sure that your room is soundproof. I would not say soundproof, but it should not have any kind of noise. Even though the drilling noise can be the rejection of from this particular round, your voice should be clear and it should be reached to your computer. My advice, if you can use wire earphone, because sometimes what happen is they will be taking test on MSB platform. Your Bluetooth might support that, your Bluetooth might not support that, and you won't be thinking, okay, whether your voice is coming to the computer or not. Then you will say communication round is an elimination round. No, if your voice is there and at least you are able to speak, you are able to write, mark the right answers, then definitely you're gonna shortlisted after this round. Okay, so please, if your Bluetooth is working fine, you can use that. Otherwise, wired earphone will 100% sure that your voice would gonna be reaching in the PC. Drilling sounds, any type of foreign sounds, please avoid. Sit in the pin drop silence room. Okay. Now, round 2, aptitude assessment. Aptitude assessment, 2 sections, duration 80 minutes. Quantitative aptitude and directive and inductive reasoning, which is gamified. Okay, so you need to have very patient because this round is a very big round. Okay, you need to play it again and again. I remember in my time I gone till level 22, so I was keep on playing it. So you should have a patience. You should not get irritated very soon. Give your best to this particular round because all of the round have a weightage. After that, they accumulate all your marks and let you know which roles that you are shortlisted for. Gamification is added to the aptitude assessment. A video will be uploaded soon on communication round and a gamified aptitude round for sure. So if you're looking for that, if you're looking for preparation material, although I have uploaded many videos regarding that, you can just see the Cognizant playlist. Otherwise, comment down below that yes, we need this video, we need prep video, we need this XYZ question video, anything. Prime coding is standing for you. Okay. Round 2, which is a technical assessment. Cluster 1, which is Java and SQL. You might not able to see this particular thing, but yes, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Cluster 2, Python, SQL, Cloud Fundamentals, SQL, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. 2 people will say that I love Python, but they have allocated me cluster 1. Then what I should do? You should attempt it and you should start studying Java because in the interview, they will be allocating you the Java panel. So yes, if you say that I know Python, they will be encouraging you to write the Java code because this happened to me personally. So tech cluster 3, which is C#, SQL, HTML, CSS and JavaScript would be common in cluster 1 and cluster 3. So prepare it accordingly. So students required to choose any 2 preferred cluster so that they will be giving you by themselves what they want to allocate you. Okay, so be prepared with it. Don't love any of the cluster. Whatever cluster you are getting, start preparing according to that. So sometimes you also don't know which cluster you are getting because in the mail they won't be mentioning about the cluster. There's a few trick and tricks that you can find it. Okay, but let's see. Technical assessment, cluster 3, which is 120 minutes, 4 sections and coding C#, query, database, and SQL using MySQL, coding, web UI, MCQ, core C#. Many people got shortlisted for GenC Next profile who has the C# cluster. Now don't intentionally get this cluster because you need to write code in C#. They might ask you to find the frequency numbers or missing number, any kind of things, but you need to code in C#. So yes, this is not an easy thing. If you are feeling that you are challenging, you can study and definitely, because before your interview, make sure that you're gonna take mock interview. Otherwise, you don't know what kind of question will come and how you gonna present there. Okay, in Cognizant, your communication, your confidence, your nervousness, everything is mattered because there will be 2 interviewers sitting in front of you. It might be 3, it might be 4, it might be in person. So, but they will be looking over your problem solving skills, your communication skills, and the knowledge you are bringing up there. Okay. Now, massive success rate, I was talking about it. Interview opportunity into offer letter so that you can make your parents proud because this is the only opportunity here in on campus nowadays. So yes, internal mock interview, in-depth mock interview, which is more than 90 minutes where it will be taken by the real expert who crack these types of company in their on-campus placement or now they are working in product-based companies. So HR and MR prep. So master behavior questions and impress the interviewer. So full interview simulation, as I told, it is more than 90 minutes where we'll be testing your all of your problem solving skills, communication skills, and many more things right there. Resume review is a cherry on the cake because we will be enhancing your resume, will let you know your problems and how you can overcome from them, the required templates, and how you need to fill your resume, the sequence around it will let you know everything. Personalized feedbacks and expert guidance, because guidance is required to ace the upcoming opportunity, because the candidates who have cracked these roles, they will definitely let you know what is the tips and tricks. And until unless you are not satisfied, no one will leave the session. This is a prime coding policy. You can just head on to www.primecoding.in and get your session booked now. Okay, so we'll meet you with a new video soon. Please share this video to the respective one who is looking for the opportunities for 2026 batch, and I will meet you with a great content soon.